Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. In this video, my client is getting a basic working man's haircut with a number 2 on the side. A number 1 on the side and just a little bit off the top. It's very basic, but I jazzed it up a little bit. You guys are gonna see I added a little bit of texture towards the end. And that's it. You guys already know I saved the best shot for last, so please make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, comments, all of that is welcome because it helps the video gain traction so that YouTube can push it out to more people and they can watch it and learn as well. Now, before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any more tutorials. All right, guys, let's begin.
All right, the first step is to establish the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 380 ACP by Caliber. The detachable metal guard that I'm using on this machine is called number 1. Attach a 6 guard and fully extend the blade. Go straight up with this. When you're finished passing through the section, close the blade and repeat the same step. The fading clipper I'm using here is called the 357 Magnum by Caliber. Attach a 5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 4 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 3 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and then repeat. Attach a 2 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and then repeat. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Try not to cut the hair at the very top of the blend. You don't want to disturb that hair. Attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Avoid cutting the hair at the top of the blend. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Attach a half guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. It shouldn't take much to take this line out. I mean, you may have to play with the lever just a bit, but for the most part, this should be pretty simple and pretty easy. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. The next step is to clean up your work with a straight razor. I have to admit, it's much easier to do this with 2 hands instead of 1, but I'm holding a camera. The next step is to trim the ends on top. All I'm trying to do here is establish a length long enough to be able to add texture. The next step is to add texture. If your dark blend looks like this or better, guess what? You've done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember to always be practicing, always be learning, and always stay humble. All of my clippers and trimmers have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.